Imagine inviting an artist to perform at your event, then ending up trending for all the wrong reasons. My Soul is under fire after a viral video showed him dancing closely behind Babalwa M with his hand on her waist. And now social media is completely divided. Some people are calling it unprofessional and disrespectful, while others are saying there's nothing wrong with what he did because Babalwa M was paid to perform. But after watching the video for yourself, was My Soul really out of line? Or is it the internet just blowing this whole thing out of proportion? Well, if I'm being honest, this doesn't look good at all. And I agree with those who are saying My Soul was unprofessional and he shouldn't have done that. But some people are defending him, saying that maybe he was just too excited to see his favorite artist performing, or that he might have been a little bit drunk since it was his party and he was celebrating his birthday. But nah, mina ngiyizwa kahle nje. Leyo ukuthi hey he was celebrating his birthday it doesn't justify lento ukuthi whoa, bruh. Whoa, what about privacy, dog? Back up, dog, back up. Let the artist work. I'm sure you booked her to come perform. So let her perform in peace. Let her do her job in peace. Ish, look now, social media is clowning Kelvin Momo and saying that he must just understand that there'll always be a bigger fish. Ish. Chris Excel posted and said, my brother Kelvin Momo must start taking his gig seriously. Look how happy his woman is around a billionaire. Ish, yabona ke manje. Yabona nje ukuthi le game, ayikho fair le game le. There'll always be a bigger fish. When you can be a bigger fish to amajita akho nani kodwa nawe ukhona bigger than you. Ish, life is not fair, my dog. Another user on Facebook posted and said, Kelvin Momo's girlfriend Babalwa M was dancing with a billionaire My Soul. She looked so happy, and the fact that she allowed My Soul to hold her waist, danced behind her back while his D is bouncing on her ass is disrespect to Kelvin Momo. To be honest, he doesn't deserve this. But dog, I'm not sure if Babalwa was allowing this bro to dance behind her because she wanted him to. I feel like she didn't know how to react, bruh. She was caught off guard and ngapha he booked her. So I don't know, bro. I kinda understand where she's coming from, dog. Like I feel like she didn't know how to act or how to react. So she just chose to, I don't know, to smile or laugh or act like she's cool with it. But I don't think she was cool. I feel like she was a bit uncomfortable, man. Like looking at the video, if you watch the video closely, I feel like she was a bit uncomfortable, man. She just played it cool, dog. You know, she was just professional about it because I don't know. Maybe she just didn't want to cause a scene. As I'm saying, Oba, bro, Mina, I get her. She was just professional, but I don't think she was allowing it to happen. I don't think so. But hey, dog, you will never know. Ziyabuya la, kusemzansi la. You will never know. Ish, but some are still saying that was an unprofessional move by My Soul. One user posted and said, being an artist is tricky. We need to talk about pleasing the male gaze just to get paid. Money or not, no one enjoys being touched like that while on the job. Yayibamba lento ukuthi ibonakala kanjani. Ayibonakali right. Ayibonakali right nje lento vele. So yeah man, athi mina ivideo ngiyicedelana. Mina ngicela ningitshela ukuthi ngicabangani ngale video. Ngibona ngathi hayi i-social media ba exaggerate nje, there's nothing wrong ngalento eyenzakala kule video. Ovele nani nibona ngathi what My Soul did was out of line, it was unprofessional, and it was kind of disrespectful to the artist. Niyibona kanjani lento? Cela ni-comment nje sithi kuba ne-discussion ngayo nje uthi yini vele lento eyenzakala, because cabanga manje mfethu, umuntu wakho uyaperforma wena usendlini, asithi maybe now njengamanje sazi ukuthi ubabalwa M uJola no Kelvin Momo, asithi uKelvin Momo naye wa-attende nje enye igig, ubabalwa yena beka attende le gig yaka My Soul. Manje cabanga ukuthi Kelvin Momo ufila kanjani manje ubona ngama-video da My Soul busy mfethu uyajava la emva kwababala M. Yini lento le? So yeah man, let me hear from you guys ukuthi ngicabangani.